Hello everyone. Today we're going to be working on a vase that I'm going to jazz up a little bit and turn it into like a makeup brush holder or a comb and brush holder. You could also use it for a centerpiece for a wedding if you like when we're done. So you're gonna need a vase. I purchased this vase at the Dollar Tree. You can purchase your vase wherever you like. You may have something in your house that you might wanna jazz up a little bit. You need a bowl to catch the glitter that we're gonna be using, some tacky glue or Mod Podge glue, some painter's tape, a paintbrush of your choice. You can use a foam brush or a regular bristle brush, and a pair of scissors. That's it. So let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get the vase taped up so that this way we'll know where we're gonna apply the glitter. So I think I wanna do this about halfway through the middle of the vase. So I'm going to apply the tape where I'd like and kind of hold the tape with a straight, steady motion and rotate the glass around the tape to keep the line pretty straight. We're just gonna bring it all the way around and then make sure it lines up with the other piece of tape and then cut that. So we're gonna seal it now by using, if you notice, the line is pretty straight all the way around. So what I'm gonna do is apply glitter to the bottom half of the glass. First, we're gonna use the tacky glue, and I'm going to pretty much make like a W or a Z, just make it up and down motion. I'm gonna move a bit quickly because the glue dries fast. And you're gonna brush the glue pretty thin and even all the way around. I'm brushing it from top to bottom, trying to create a seal around the tape so that when it dries and we remove the tape, we'll have a nice, sharp, clean line. So now I'm gonna get my bowl. Make sure the vase is over the bowl. I just got a plastic bowl from Dollar Tree as well. Then we're gonna sprinkle the glitter over the bowl so that it can catch the excess glitter. And you're just trying to shake an even layer of glitter all over the glue. Tap the glass a little bit to knock off the excess glue. It looks like we got a pretty even coat, so I'm gonna move to the next section. Add a little tacky glue. Again, you're making lines going up and down the capital Z or capital M. Then brush it evenly from top to bottom, and remember to try to create a seal with the tape along the top. Just by pressing the brush down along the seal, along the top where the tape is. And evenly spread the glue out. And then again, sprinkle some more. I'm gonna kind of tilt the glass a little bit and just sprinkle. Tap off the excess. Move around. It should be a final time and then we'll be done. Again, evenly distributing the glue. Brush from top to bottom so that you'll have that sharp line. You can also use the Tacky glue nozzle to write letters, initials, a phrase, or your favorite word, anything you'd like. Draw if you can. Draw a specific shape. I just want the bottom half of the vase to be colored. So I'm just evenly distributing the glitter along the base. Nice and simple. You can also use this as a centerpiece if you'd like, for an inexpensive wedding or baby shower. Just create your own custom look. Looks like I have a little line there, so I'm going to put a strip of glue. And here I'm gonna just dab lightly because the glitter is not dry. So I'm just gonna lightly dab along that line and add some more glitter. Oop, there you go. That line is gone now. And here we have a new vase or cup holder. Simple. So you want to let it dry fully, but just to give you a look at what the finished product looks like, I'm going to try to remove the tape slowly. But normally you would let this dry for at least an hour or two. The Tacky glue dries quickly, but just for showing you, I'm going to remove it now. Use my bowl again and kind of in a slow, sharp motion, just because the glue is still wet. I'm going to gently remove the tape. And here is the finished product. A nice blinged out vase that you can use as a, continue to use it as a vase or use it as a makeup brush holder or cup holder. I hope you guys enjoy. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me, and please comment, like, or subscribe if you like what you see on my channel. Have a great day.